Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go over how to collect student feedback or comments on the interactive Smartboard. I've got a picture loaded up over here that I've just imported in, and what I want to do is ask students about what's going on here. This could well be a poem, could be a text, a sentence, etc. And in order to do this, I'm going to ask the students to actually use their smartphones and send me their comments, which will then appear on my screen. So what I'm going to do is go to the add-ons, and so I've got this icon here that looks like a jigsaw puzzle piece, and click on XC Collaboration. It's going to ask me to connect. So this is something I'll do beforehand. So I've got anonymous, or I can ask them to enter the name, and I'm going to do start, and I can choose how many messages I want per student. I'm just going to do any. This is also quite useful if you want students to share a phone between two people, for example. In order for students to join the session, there's a number of ways. One is to use a QR code, and another one is to actually have the session ID on a website, which I'll go through in a minute. So I've clicked on QR code, so I've got my QR code over here, and I'm going to minimize this and maybe just put it down to the side over here, so if any students want to join using the QR code, they can. And so for students to join, there's two ways. They either go to send2nb.com and enter this ID number, or they can scan the QR code. So I'll click on Start Activity, and it started. Right, I've got my iPad screen up on simultaneously side by side with my Smartboard, and so I'm just going to show you a student version of what they see. Like I said, they can go to the QR code and scan it using their phones, or they can go to send2nb.com, as it says at the top of the QR code, and simply enter the ID number for that particular session. So I'm going to pretend I'm a student and enter 319995528 and click connect, and now I can write a message. So my question as a teacher is really what's going on here, and I can type in something like integration, green area takeaway, or rather the purple area, plus the green area equals QS takeaway RPR, something like that, and click send. And what I should, so once I've sent it, there you go, that's sent. And this is what I now see as a teacher. Here's a comment that has been sent my way. I can get rid of that. There I have it. And in that way I can get all the students or groups to participate. That can obviously be minimized. So that's one way of collecting student comments and making it part of your Smartboard file, which you can then save for your records.